Hello dear students, in the last video I taught you the use of are and am. These are incomplete verbs. In this video I shall teach you was and were. Was. In Hindi tha and thi. This verb is used in past tense. Used in past tense with singular subjects. Singular subjects means when the subject is only one. For example, he was in the class. In the class. He is subject, was is verb. In the class, this is complement. Order will be subject plus verb plus complement. This is our simple sentence. This is our simple sentence. To make negative sentences, he was not in the class. In the class. He subject, was verb, not negative, and in the class complement. So in this way the sentence is negative. When we study it in Hindi simple sentence will be resounded. He was in the class, वह कक्षा में था. वह कक्षा में था. जब हम नेगेटिव की हिंदी बोलेंगे वह कक्षा में नहीं था. जब इंट्रोगेटिव की हिंदी बोलेंगे क्या वह कक्षा में था. Was he in the class? In this way. So was verb, he subject, in the class, this is complement. This is complement. क्या वह कक्षा में था. Here this is single interrogative. Interrogative single. When I say single interrogative, it means हमारा प्रश्न हिंदी में पहले प्रयोग होगा. क्या से वाक्य शुरू होता है हिंदी में, और इंग्लिश में वो क्रिया से शुरू होगा. तो टू मेक इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव, was he not in the class. In the class. Was is verb, he subject, and not negative, and in the class this is complement. This is complement. Interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. So इसकी हिंदी क्या होगी. क्या वह कक्षा में नहीं था. So both these two verbs, was and were. Second next verb is were. Were is also used in present tense. Were is also used in present tense, and it is used with plural subjects. Were is used with plural subjects. Were means the, or for ladies the, more than one. Were means the, the. So used in past tense. Past tense. Used in past tense. Was is also used in past tense. Were is also used in past tense. Was is used with singular subjects. Were is used with plural subjects. With plural subjects. They were in the room. In the room. They is subject, were verb, and in the room complement. So in this way, subject plus verb plus complement. This is simple sentence. This is simple. And negative, they were not in the room. They were not in the room. They subject were verb not negative and in the room this is complement. वे कमरे में नहीं थे. Subject plus verb plus negative plus complement. And interrogatives, were they in the room? Were they in the room? क्या वे कमरे में थे? क्या वे कमरे में थे? Were is verb, they is subject, in the room it is complement. And to interrogative negative, were they not in the room? Were they not in the room? Were they not in the room? This were is verb, they is subject, not negative, and in the room complement. So this will be your order and sentence will be interrogative negative. In this way, was and were, both these two verbs are used in past tense. Was is used with singular subjects and were is used with plural subjects. In the next video, I shall tell you about has, have and had. These three verbs will be explained. Thank you.